Effective January next year, a cap on overseas deployment of Filipino health workers will be implemented. Malacanang says only 5,000 healthcare workers each year will be allowed to leave the country for overseas jobs. The announcement comes after President Duterte approved the lifting of the temporary deployment ban on medical workers. Beleles Moras reports.
Aljon Bolisay has been working as a nurse in a hospital in Nueva Ecija for 5 years now. Earlier this year, he applied for a job opportunity abroad but it didn't push through due to COVID-19 pandemic and also with the imposition of the deployment ban for healthcare workers.
Mas financially stable talaga, saka mas maganda ang sahuran dun sa ibang bansa compare dito sa Pilipinas. Kaya nga, bali parang sa isang pangarap ng isang nurse, kalakip na dun yung pagpunta sa abroad dahil na rin para sa pagbuo ng future.
But now, Aljon can pursue his dream already following the new announcement of the Malacanang. Presidential spokesperson Harry Roque confirmed that President Rodrigo Duterte has lifted the temporary suspension in the overseas deployment of medical workers like nurses, nursing aides, and nursing assistants. It was implemented April due to the crisis under POEA Governing Board Resolution Number 9. Along with the lifting of the ban, the Chief Executive also approved the recommendation of the IATF to impose an annual deployment ceiling of 5,000 new hires for healthcare workers to all countries of destination starting next year.
Ang pagtanggal ng ban sa deployment ng health workers ay sang-ayon sa pulisya ng pamahalaan na magkaroon ng full employment, itaas ang standard of living at pagandahin ang quality of life ng lahat. Sa pag-alis ng ban, maaari nang mag-practice ang healthcare workers ang kanilang propesyon habang napapabuti nila ang buhay ng kanilang pamilya at nakakatulong sa ating lokal na ekonomiya.
On another note, Secretary Roque also gave other updates related to COVID-19. He said this week, the price cap for COVID-19 testing is expected to be released, as well as the IATF's recommendation for the new quarantine classifications to be implemented for the month of December.
Inaasahan po natin na itong linggo ito ay magkakaroon po ng presentasyon ng mga datos doon po sa IATF na magkaroon na po ng rekomendasyon ng IATF sa ating presidente.
Meanwhile, on the issue of COVID-19 vaccine, Secretary Roque reiterated that the government's priority will always be the poorest of the poor. He also has this response on the suggestion of Vice President Leni Robredo that the government must come up with a list of beneficiaries to receive the vaccine first.
Ma'am, Vice President, meron na pong listahan yan. So, maraming salamat po sa suggestion, pero as usual, nagawa na po ng gobyerno yan kasi may listahan na tayo ng 4Ps, may listahan na tayo ng kapulisan, may listahan na tayo ng kasundaluhan. At yung mga frontliners, alam naman po ng DOH kung sino sila.
Beleles Moras for the Nation.